This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly. When you break down FXPrismus pricing, the structure is clearly built around multiple account types, designed to match different trading styles, rather than forcing everyone into one cost model. FXPrismus offers Classic, Pro, Zero, and Synthetics accounts, each with a different balance between spreads, commissions, leverage, and minimum deposits. The Classic account is positioned as the entry-level option, using wider spreads starting around the mid-pip range with zero commission, and a very low minimum deposit that makes it accessible to beginners who want simple pricing without per-trade fees. Leverage on this account can scale very high depending on equity levels, which lowers the capital barrier but increases risk exposure. The Pro account tightens spreads significantly, often around sub-pip levels, but introduces a fixed commission per lot depending on platform choice. This pricing structure targets experienced traders who want more predictable execution costs and tighter bid-ask pricing for intraday or swing trading. The Zero account pushes spreads down to zero on major instruments, but offsets that with a per-lot commission, making it more suitable for scalpers or high-frequency traders who prioritize spread compression over simplicity. FXPrismus also offers a synthetics account with ultra-tight spreads and extremely high effective leverage, designed specifically for traders looking to trade proprietary synthetic instruments rather than traditional forex pairs. Across all account types, FXPrismus uses MT4 and MT5 as its core platforms, keeping pricing execution familiar and widely supported. Minimum deposits vary significantly depending on account selection, which gives flexibility but also requires traders to choose carefully based on their actual strategy rather than marketing labels. Leverage scales dynamically based on equity tiers, meaning risk exposure increases as account balances change, which can be powerful but dangerous without disciplined risk management. Feature-wise, FXPrismus positions itself as a multi-asset broker, offering forex, indices, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The platform environment focuses on stability rather than heavy customization, relying on MetaTrader's ecosystem for indicators, automation, and strategy development. On the Pro side, FXPrismus offers flexible account structures, high leverage availability, multiple pricing models to suit different trading styles, and compatibility with industry-standard platforms. Traders who understand spread versus commission trade-offs can fine-tune their costs based on how frequently they trade and which instruments they focus on. On the con side, pricing complexity can be confusing for newer traders, especially when comparing spread-only versus zero-spread accounts with commissions. High leverage options amplify both gains and losses, making the platform less forgiving for undisciplined risk management. Some traders may also find the platform experience more functional than modern, as FXPrismus relies heavily on MetaTrader rather than proprietary trading environments. Overall, FXPrismus rewards traders who already understand cost structures and execution mechanics, rather than those looking for simplified, guided trading experiences. NordFX approaches pricing with a more streamlined structure, focused on a small set of clearly defined accounts rather than a wide matrix of variations. The broker offers MT4 and MT5 Pro and Zero accounts, with pricing that separates spread cost from commission depending on the account selected. Pro accounts typically use wider spreads with zero commission, creating a straightforward cost model where the spread is the primary expense. Zero accounts reduce spreads down to near zero levels and apply a fixed commission per trade side, appealing to traders who want raw pricing and tighter execution for frequent trading. Minimum deposit requirements at NordFX remain relatively low across account types, lowering the entry barrier while still supporting higher leverage ceilings. Maximum leverage can reach very high ratios depending on jurisdiction and account classification, which attracts traders seeking capital efficiency but also requires strict risk discipline. NordFX supports Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, indices, energies, and stocks, offering broad market exposure from a single account without complex add-ons. Feature-wise, NordFX keeps its ecosystem simple and execution-focused. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 serve as the core platforms, giving traders access to algorithmic trading, expert advisors, advanced charting, and third-party tools. The broker emphasizes fast withdrawals, platform stability, and ease of navigation rather than layering in social trading or heavy educational dashboards. This makes NordFX attractive to traders who want minimal friction between analysis and execution. On the pro side, NordFX offers clean pricing logic, low minimum deposits, access to ECN-style execution on zero accounts, and a straightforward platform environment that does not overwhelm traders with unnecessary features. The broker is particularly appealing to traders who value speed, simplicity, and the ability to move capital efficiently. On the Kion side, advanced customization options are limited compared to larger institutional brokers, and educational or analytical resources are relatively light. Traders who rely heavily on built-in research tools or guided learning may find the platform sparse. High leverage availability also increases the potential for rapid drawdowns if risk is not actively managed. In terms of user feedback, FXPrismus currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with customer comments frequently highlighting professionalism, long operational history, responsive account managers, and solid execution quality. Some users note average spreads on certain accounts as a drawback, particularly when compared to zero spread alternatives. NordFX holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.5 out of 5, with reviews commonly praising fast withdrawals, platform simplicity, and ease of use. Many traders mention positive experiences with crypto withdrawals and customer support responsiveness, while occasional criticism focuses on limited educational tools rather than execution quality. Final takeaway: FXPrismus is best suited for traders who want multiple account configurations, flexible leverage scaling, and the ability to fine-tune pricing based on strategy, especially if they already understand spread versus commission trade-offs. NordFX is the cleaner choice for traders who prioritize simplicity, fast execution, and minimal platform friction without navigating complex account matrices. Neither broker is objectively better. They solve different trading problems. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more no-fluff trading platform breakdowns, and click the link below to access the broker that actually fits how you trade, manage leverage, and control risk over the long term, not just what looks attractive on a pricing page.